Hey, hi. Did you know that PayPal offers card testing numbers for free and they're public? Now, these numbers you can use them when you're doing a system and you want to test maybe American Express cards, Diners cards, Master cards, Visas, and all that stuff. So, PayPal offers this link. I'm going to leave it in the description, I think. So on this link, you can actually generate card card numbers, actually card details, real card numbers, but they don't have money in them. Okay, so you're not really going to generate a card with money. So for example, this is it gives you a card number, expiry, and CVC. So you can use these details when you're actually doing maybe kind of you're testing maybe a system and you really need your system needs a legit visa or visa number, visa details. Okay, and you can't use your real card numbers. You can easily come here and then you generate them. Okay, for example, here I can say, let me generate MasterCard. Which country I'm going to generate for USA. You can even change the country. You can even say Australia or whatever. So um, let me do Australia and generate credit card. Then this is the card. Can easily say, let me just generate Discover card, USA, generate, generate, you know. So you can generate unlimited card numbers that you can use for your testing your system. But as I've said, these card numbers are not real card numbers. They don't have really money, okay? And even provide you with a lot of details, response codes and all that stuff, card expert codes and fraudulent card numbers, all that stuff. Okay, so if you haven't really known that this really exists, you can really check out the link I'll leave in the description. You can generate these card numbers, then you use them to test your system, whatever system that you're doing. These card numbers will be treated as legit card numbers. Okay, but note they're not real card numbers, they don't belong to anyone. These are just actually demo card numbers that you can use for testing purposes in case you're looking for credit card generator online. Okay, see you in the next video. And if you're interested in videos about PayPal, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.